Prokaryotic cells. Pro, which means before, karyo, which means in anon. Prokaryotic cells are 10 times smaller than the eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are also called as simple cells. Why is that so? Even though they are called simple cells, they still function for the basis of life or for the process of life. And their reproduction is through binary fission. Binary fission is the division of one cell into two daughter cells after DNA replication. And all bacteria are prokaryotes, as the archaea. So as what I've discussed earlier, prokaryotes are composed of fungi, bacteria, and etc. So in bacteria, there are good bacteria and bad bacteria. So that is cell membrane. Here it is located. Enclosing the cytoplasm of a prokaryotic cell is the cell membrane, also known as the plasma, cytoplasmic, or cellular membrane. This membrane is similar in structure and function to the eukaryotic cell membrane. Chemically, the cell membrane consists of proteins and phospholipids. Being selectively permeable, the membrane controls which substances may enter or leave the cell. It is flexible and so thin that it cannot be seen with a compound light microscope. However, it is frequently observed in transmission electron micrographs of bacteria. Cytoplasm. Here it is located. The semi-liquid cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell consists of water, enzymes, dissolved oxygen, waste products, essential nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. A complex mixture of all the materials required by the cell for its metabolic functions. There is some evidence to suggest that bacterial cytoplasm contains a cytoskeletal structure similar to that of eukaryotic cells. Bacterial cell wall. Here it is. The rigid exterior cell wall that defines the shape of bacterial cell is chemically complex. Thus, the structure of bacterial cell walls is quite different from the relatively simple structure of eukaryotic cell walls, although they serve the same functions, providing rigidity, strength, and protection. Chromosome. The prokaryotic chromosome usually consists of a single, long, supercoiled circular DNA molecule which serves as the control center of the bacterial cell. It is capable of duplicating itself, guiding cell division, and directing cellular activities. A prokaryotic cell contains neither nucleoplasm nor a nuclear membrane. The chromosome is suspended or embedded in the cytoplasm. The DNA-occupied space within a bacterial cell is sometimes referred to as the bacterial nucleoid. Bacterial cells possess only one chromosome, whereas eukaryotic cells may possess many chromosomes. Here's what you need to know about the Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli, or E. coli, are bacteria found in the environment, foods, and intestines of people and animals. Are harmless, and others can make you sick. Could cause diarrhea, while others can cause urinary tract infections, respiratory illness, and pneumonia, and other illnesses. According to my research, E. coli outbreaks happened 7 times since 2016. So how to avoid this? Before you eat anything, please wash your hands properly. Wash your fruits and vegetables. Do not drink unpasteurized milk. Please make sure that it is pasteurized, and cook your meat thoroughly. And lastly, clean anything that is touched by raw meat.